Great. So in today's video, I'm going to review a newest launch by Just Herbs, which is their Castor and Black Onion Seed Hair Care range. Here are all the three products in my hand. So this range consists of a shampoo, a conditioner and a hair mask. So the range primarily works on strengthening and nourishing the hair from root to the tips, and it also gives you very nice bouncy healthy looking hair. I have been testing these products out for over a month now. I'll show you quickly. I have been using this hair mask non-stop, which is a pre and post shampoo hair mask. You can see I am out of this mask. I just have one use left, and I really like how my hair feels very nourished, very moisturized. Now this hair care range is high performance and it has hair growth boosting ingredients like Castor, Black Onion Seed, which is also known as Kalonji. It also has Bringaraj in there. Now the castor seed oil is extracted from castor beans and it has a beautiful mix of potent vitamins, minerals and fatty acids, and also antioxidants that nourish your scalp and strengthen the roots and make your hair really nourished, and also it kind of works on the overall dryness and frizziness of your hair. Now another key ingredient is black onion seed oil, which is also known as Kalonji, which is known and very famous for its hair regrowth properties. It strengthens the follicles, hence promotes hair growth. The third key ingredient is Bringaraj, which is very famous. It's an age-old ancient herb that has been used in so many oils and hair formulations. What it does, it actually strengthens your hair, it nourishes your scalp, it prevents itchiness, dryness, dandruff, and it also prevents premature graying of your hair. Now I'll quickly tell you how I like to use these three products in my hair care routine. So first I start with the hair mask. This is a pre and post shampoo hair mask. So you can use it before shampooing your hair or after shampooing your hair for deep conditioning. So the mask is really good. It has this kind of a thick cream consistency. The texture is very nice. It feels like a nice thick moisturizer but for your hair. So what I do, I section my hair and apply it from root to the tips. I generally use it on slightly damp hair. So I apply it all over my hair, all over my head, and leaving no strand behind. And then I tie my hair up and leave it on for good 30 minutes. So this mask not only deeply conditions the scalp, it also balances the pH level of your scalp, and it conditions your hair from the roots to the tips. That's the reason why you have to leave it on for at least 20 to 30 minutes in your hair. Now this hair mask has become my at-home spa because I really like how it makes my hair really soft and shiny. I use it at least once a week to give me that salon-like beautiful, smoother looking, shinier looking hair. So the second product in the routine is the Castor Plus Black Onion Seed Shampoo from Just Herbs. I really like this shampoo. It is very gentle, but it cleans my scalp and hair thoroughly. So it removes all the traces of oil if I apply an oil, and also the mask, but without stripping my hair of its natural moisture. So it makes my hair really bouncy, really soft and very shiny. I really like it. I'll be out of this shampoo. It has just 2 uses left. It has just this much left. I've been using this non-stop for the past one month or 1.5 months. I wash my hair every 4 days. I really like it. It's very gentle. It cleans my hair thoroughly and my hair feels very nice and non-frizzy after using it. Now the third product in the regime is the Castor Plus Black Onion Seed Conditioner. So this is packed with vitamin E and omega fatty acids that condition your hair. It is not a very thick or heavy conditioner. It doesn't weigh your hair down. It kind of makes them very moisturized, very nourished and very shiny. Hair look very bouncy after wash. As you can see, it hasn't weighed down my hair. My hair is looking very bouncy, very nice, and there is so much shine. I also blow dry my hair, not every time but at least once a week, so which causes a lot of heat damage. And this particular product, like this conditioner, works on healing my hair and reverses the damage that is caused by the treatments as well as use of heat tools. So this hair care range is free from sulfates, parabens and silicones like all the Just Herbs products. Now this hair care range is good for all hair types, whether you have fine hair, whether you have wavy hair like me, or even if you have curly hair. This range is going to work beautifully on all hair types. I will highly recommend you guys to check out these 3 products from Just Herbs. I'm going to link them in the description box below. The brand is running an introductory offer and you can grab these on really good discounts and deals. You can also use my code mentioned on the screen to save some more money. And I will highly recommend you guys to check these products out, especially the mask. This is my favorite mask, to be honest. Like, out of all the 3 products, I will highly recommend you guys to check out the mask. This is really good. So yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this review demo of Just Herbs Castor plus Black Onion Seed Hair Care range. And I'm going to link all the products in the description box below. Do not forget to use my discount code to get discount on all the products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.